ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. PU ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಸ್ಟಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. A uniform spherical shell ಅಂದ್ರೆ hollow shell ಅಂದ್ರೆ empty shell ಅಂತ of radius 0.2 has a charge of 18 microcoulomb. Find the surface charge density ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನಾವು. Okay, first thing we have to find the surface charge density of the spherical shell and also find the electric field due to the shell at a distance of 0.4 meters. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ first thing ನಮಗೆ surface charge density sigma is nothing but charge divided by surface area. So, since ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಓಕೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದರದ್ದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬಂದು 4 pi r ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ 18 ಮೈಕ್ರೋ, 18 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by 4 into pi into r square. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0.2 meters. 0.2 whole square. That is equal to 18 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by 4 into 3.14 into 0.2 whole square. Okay. So, ಈಗ ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 18 divided by 4 divided by 3.14 divided by 0.2 divided by 0.2. So, final answer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನನಗೆ 35.82 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb per meter square. So, I hope you understood this one. The next part in electric field. See, a spherical shell behaves as a point charge when we are measuring the electric field outside. ಈಗ radius 0.2 ಇದೆ, from the center distance is 0.4 ಇದೆ, therefore it is outside. So outside ಇದ್ದಾಗ electric field is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r square. It just behaves as a point charge. That is 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into charge ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ 18 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by distance ಬಂದು 0.4 whole square. ಕರೆಕ್ಟೇನಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9 into 18 divided by 0.4 divided by 0.4. So final answer is ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ. Final answer is 1012.5 into 10 to the power of 9 minus 3 plus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? 112 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton per coulomb ಬರೀಬೋದು. I hope you understood this. It's an easy one. Thank you.